that Rebuilding Together was through the city of Southfield. I called them and I was talking to them about some things that I wanted to get done at my house, and they told me to contact the Rebuilding Together, and my experiences with them have been wonderful. Some of the work that's going on today, they're cleaning my aluminum siding. They're also doing some landscaping work. They're also redoing my deck. They're also doing some new paneling on the back. They also have done some painting on the inside. What it has done for me has took a big load off of me, because I wasn't in a position my own self to do a lot of these things myself. And so what the volunteers were able to do for me was things that I couldn't do for myself. What I'd like to say to the volunteers today is I embrace them with plenty of love and thank them for everything that they've done for us today. And wherever they go in the future, if they can make another person feel as happy as they've made us feel, they will have done a wonderful job.